Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to all sorts of styling services, and if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for your support and for coming back. Today I am doing one of my favorite boxes, and it is my, nope, doesn't say anything on the box. Okay, well, it's my Stylestarter box. If you're not familiar with Stylestarter, they are an outfit in a box, and so for a certain amount of money per month, they send you a full outfit in the box. Usually it's a top, bottom, accessory, and then a freebie. Sometimes it's a dress instead of a top and bottom. But either way, it is an outfit and it rocks. So if you want one box, I believe it's $45 plus some shipping. I purchased 3 boxes and it was $115 for 3 months plus a little bit of shipping. So it is a better deal to buy a few months ahead of time. Probably when I'm done with the 3 months, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase 6 months, which is $230, because I know I'm gonna keep using this subscription for a long time because I am loving the outfits that I'm getting. So let's go ahead and dive into this. And oh, I forgot to mention, if you are interested in trying it, there is a link below for it. It's not a referral link, it's just a link to their website. But check them out, I really like them. Let's get into this. Okay, so when I open it up, we have, this is what it looks like. So I see the earrings on top. This is the extra item. This is like a foot soak, a salt soak. So I have a foot bath, and my husband and I have gotten some salts and we still have not used them yet. So hopefully we will use it soon and I will get good use out of this because I do love peppermint and I'm going to take care of my feet. Next up, we have these Daisy Fuentes earrings, which I love these. These are gorgeous. So I'm really happy about these. Then it looks like we have a sweater. Oh, nope, that is a sweater dress. Okay, so we have a green sweater dress, and I think that is really pretty. It is green, so it is very seasonally appropriate. It's long sleeve. I'm very into sweater dresses because I want to wear dresses in the winter and fall, but I don't like to freeze. So thus the sweater dress. So, okay, awesome outfit. Can't wait to get this stuff on. Let's get to it. All right, guys, I have the dress on and the earrings on. The dress is very comfortable. I love the sleeve length. I love the green of it. The length isn't too short. It's a little bit above my knees, but not too bad. Again, it's a little snug on my rear, but that's just what happens with me in sweater dresses. I like it. My only thing was it is very slightly large in the chest area, so I might want to like wear a more padded bra or something with this to kind of fill it out more up here. But other than that, I feel like it fits well and I really like it. So what do you guys think? Oh, and the earrings. Okay, here's the earrings. I think they are very cute. Like these a lot. So let's do a quick recap. All right, guys, so what did you think? I forgot in my description to explain that these are not like your higher end items that you're gonna get in the other styling service. This is like your friend went shopping for you at the mall, which I love mall clothes. I love going to the mall and shopping there. So to have a stylist go and actually pick me out outfits from the mall, I am all about that. So anyways, what'd you guys think? So just to recap real quick, for, I guess for me, less than 40 bucks for this month, I got the foot soak, I got the earrings, which I love. I got the dress. I really like it. I did find out why this dress is a little bit loose on the top, and that's because it's actually a large. I'm wondering if she went that route just because with these sweater dresses, they tend to be clinging around the rear, and since I have a larger rear, maybe she sized up for me. I don't know, but I like it. So what did you guys think? Give me your thoughts below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have not subscribed, then please do so below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks, bye.